Hello everyone. Welcome. Welcome today on a Thursday. Yes, today it's Thursday in the daily newspaper of Thursday, December the 3rd, 2020. We have here only a regular Sudoku. And this one is a medium one. Medium one, number 1963. And in this daily newspaper, there is also an additional with extra Sudokus. First one, high priority. I will solve this medium Sudoku. And this one has 27 printed digits. I have already counted. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have the 6 and the 9 in this big square, though. So no 6 and the 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 and the 9 goes in these 2 boxes. We see there 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The other 2 missing numbers are the numbers 8 and the 7. 8 and the 7, we see here an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be here, and 7 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then let me see. How about 5. All right. Yeah. In the third row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. The third row. Yes, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see there 5, no 5 there, here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then how about 1, 2, 4. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 in that box. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those for you. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 3. We see there 3, no 3 in these two boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those two boxes. One box left for the 3. Should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the middle a row, the only 3 place for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for a 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only place for a 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 place for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for a 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9 in this column. So no 9 in these two boxes. There 9, no 9 in that box. One box left for the 9. Should be there. Then. 8, 2, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 8, the 2, and the 7 in this big square. 8, 2, 7. We see here 7 and a 2. So in this box, no 7 and a 2. So the 7 and the 2 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those for you. So one box left in this big square for the number 8. Alright. So now we have 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Let me mark those for you. 1 and 4. In this big square we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So one box left in this big square for the number 4 should be here. 1, 5, 6. Alright. And now 7, 2, 9, 9. Alright. Yeah. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in the second column. So no 9 in these two boxes. There 9, no 9 in those two boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So one of these two boxes is a 9 in this column, the first column, a 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 6 in this column, first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for a 6 should be there. Then we have, in this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I cannot place a 2 here because 1 or 4 are marked. Look, we have a 2 there. Here 2. No 2 there. Here 2. No 2 there. Only place for a 2 should be there. Then 4, 5. Alright. How about 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. Alright. 4 4 3 9 9 9 9. 7 1 2 cannot be here. 7 or 1. Yeah. How about the 4 in this column? 4 in the middle columns on the column next. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Well. Yes, in this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this box cannot be a 9 anymore. I have marked those 2 boxes with the 9, so 1 box left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2. 2 boxes left in the third row for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. Then now we have a 2 here, so this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 2. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. These 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8, I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those. How about the numbers? The numbers. Let me see. All right. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. 8 and 2. I need to mark those. Cannot fill this yet. In this row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only 1 place left for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for a 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for a 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is no 4. We have 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 7. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 number left in this first row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We see here 1. No one there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this can be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And this should be a 4. 2 numbers left. 2 and 8. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Bye bye for now, and see you later.